In the palm of your hand, imagine a chocolate bar that's not just a treat, but a time machine to ancient civilizations, a passport to the sweetest corners of the world, and a magical journey that'll have Willy Wonka himself taking notes. Ever wondered where the journey of your favorite chocolates began? Let's unwrap that mystery and discover how chocolate is made. When we think of chocolate, it is unimaginable to think it was made from a fruit like cocoa. Let's look into how this ancient fruit became today's global sensation. Chocolate's rich history spans over 4,000 years, originating in ancient Mesoamerica, present-day Mexico, where the first cocoa plants were discovered. The innovative Olmec civilization, among the earliest in Latin America, transformed the cacao plant into what we now know as chocolate. Can you believe it? In ancient days, cocoa was used in rituals and as a medicine. Mesoamerican societies prepared bitter beverages from the cacao bean. Ew! Yet we can't take the 75% dark chocolates. Historical records show that fermented chocolate-based beverages existed as early as 1900 BCE to 1500 BCE. The Mexican people believed cacao seeds were a divine gift from Quetzalcoatl, the god of wisdom. These seeds were so valuable that they were used as a currency, emphasizing their cultural importance. Imagine buying clothes in exchange of chocolates. The very word chocolate finds its roots in the Aztec term Xocoatl, and the cacao plant, scientifically named Theobroma cacao, meaning food of the gods. The evolution of chocolate production led to the cocoa bean becoming its primary ingredient. The Ivory Coast and Ghana are the world's largest cocoa-producing countries, contributing to half of the global cocoa production. Cacao trees flourish in rainforests, needing nitrogen-rich soil and protection from wind to thrive. Today, the production process of chocolate involves meticulous steps, including fermentation, drying, roasting, grinding of cocoa beans, mixing with various ingredients like sugar, cocoa butter, emulsifiers, aroma, milk components, conching, and tempering. This intricate process ensures the creation of delightful chocolate products enjoyed by people worldwide, continuing the legacy that began in ancient Mesoamerica. In the heart of the ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, the Mayans stood as pioneers, unveiling the secrets of the revered cocoa trees. Originating in the Amazon rainforest, the cacao tree, a botanical treasure, was tamed by human hands 5,300 years ago in equatorial South America. Its journey continued, orchestrated by the Olmecs, who introduced this precious tree to the fertile soils of Central America, modern-day Mexico becoming its sanctuary. The art of cacao harvesting is a delicate dance between knowledge and precision. Armed with sharp blades and sometimes aided by long poles with pruning hooks, farmers skillfully hand-pick the pods. The timing is crucial, for each pod ripens at its own pace. This meticulous manual process ensures that the cocoa pods are plucked at the peak of their flavor potential, preserving the essence that will soon transform into chocolate. The first step after harvesting is fermentation. Contrary to popular belief, cocoa beans don't rely on external yeast. Certain airborne bacteria orchestrate this magic. Once fermented, the moisture is drawn out of the beans. Spread meticulously on mats under the open sky, they bask in the gentle caress of sunlight. This method, embraced by small-scale farmers, carries a heritage of simplicity. As the sun works its magic, the beans gradually lose their moisture, preserving the intricate flavors cocooned within their core. The beans are then roasted. In the heart of ovens, the beans meet the flames. The temperature, a closely guarded secret, varies and is carefully calibrated for each bean type and size. This vital step not only refines the flavor, but also banishes potential intruders like salmonella. As the outer shell cracks open, the essence of the bean is revealed, a prelude to the symphony of flavors that await. The fragrance of cocoa is exotic. Finally, the grinding is where cocoa starts looking like chocolate. In the chambers of the mélangeur grinder, the transformation reaches its peak. Initially, a thick paste emerges, bearing the essence of both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The gradual progression of grinding melts the cocoa butter, weaving a smooth, velvety texture. The symphony reaches its apex as additional ingredients like sugar, milk powder, or vanilla join the mixture. In the final act, chocolate undergoes a metamorphosis tempering. The art of raising and lowering the chocolate's temperature refines its crystals, shaping its texture, appearance, and ultimately, its tempting taste. From the raw, unassuming cocoa pods to the globally adored sensation of chocolate, the journey spans countless intricate steps, transforming bitterness into an irresistible, tempting taste. The chocolate you associate with love, friendship, and everything good is not as sweet as you think. The bitter cocoa is processed to be sweet. I hope you take the irony of it in life. Maybe all we lack is some ingredients and processes.